Okay, class, bago ako magsimula, mag-attendance muna ako. Mark Anthony,
Present, sir.
Clarice,
Present, sir.
okay. I'm Romulo P. Agnos Jr. and today I will demonstrate one of the core competency under the driving in C2, which is perform shop maintenance. Our focus for this session is storing and arranging tools and shop equipment properly. So, let's start with this photo. Ano ang namamasdan ninyo dito sa picture?
Makalat.
Magulo, sir.
Okay. Tama. Tama. Magulo at makalat at delikado. So, ngayon, bakit kaya ito dangerous?
Sir, maaari itong mag-cause ng accident.
Tama. Tama. Accident can happen, tools can be loose, damage or cause injuries. That's exactly why we need proper tools, storage, and arrangement. So, today we learn how to identify tools and storage area, clean tools properly, arrange tools using correct procedures, apply 5S principle, and store tools safely and systematically. Yun. Drawer. So, dito na tayo sa next stage, proper storage procedure. Clean tools after use. Always wipe and inspect tools before returning them. So, ikalawa po, arrange tools, correct storage area. Ito po yung lagayan ng mga tools para proper. Dito na tayo sa apply 5S principle. So, alisin ang mga hindi kailangan, like this. And set in order. Ilagay sa tamang pwesto. Ito, ilagay sa tamang pwesto. Post. So, ang activity po natin ngayon ay kung paano yung paglilinis ng tools and paano din yung tamang arrangement ng tools. So Mr. Lumami, ang assessment mo ngayon ay clean the tools and arrange properly. So, yun na po. Let's start po. Okay, Mr. Lumami. Good job. Nagawa mo ng tama. May ibang katanungan ba ako sa iyo? Ito yung, what is the purpose of tool storage?
Para po, sir, maayos at hindi pa kalat-kalat.
So, may isang katanungan pa. Ito yung, where do we store screwdriver?
In a toolbox, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, class. To end our session, remember this: a clean and organized shop is a safe and productive shop. As a future driver and technician, proper tool storage is a simple habits that prevent accident, reduce downtime, and make our work profession. So, that's all.